Welcome back to class. And this module will be discussing on the advanced furniture production. Advanced furniture production. And when we talk about this, advanced furniture production represents a higher level of carpentry where creativity, technicals, expertise, and precision comes together to produce complex and high quality furniture piece. And the module builds upon foundational knowledge and introduces you as a learner to the sophisticated design concept and construction method, the production and functional and durable furniture, the professional finishing and polishing method, the proper installation technique, and also effective maintenance practice. And lastly, is the practical guidance on sourcing furniture within Nigeria. By the end of the module, you will be able to get equipped with advanced skill to design, construction, install, and also maintain modern furniture for both home and also for office use. Let's look at designing advanced furniture structure. Advanced furniture design involves high level planning, creativity, and technical skill. And the focus shifts from simple construction to producing complex, durable, and also aesthetically refined furniture. The concepts in designing advanced furniture structure. The following are very important. First is concept development and planning. That is, at this stage, you identify the purpose of the furniture, you understand the user's need and available space. You also create sketches or details, working drawings with dimension, joint details, and also assembly instruction. Next is the structural integrity and load consideration. And at this stage, you look at the design with to withstand significant loads and long-term use. You also incorporate frame, support brace, and also reinforcement. And lastly, you ensure load-bearing parts are properly aligned to distribute weight evenly. We have the ergonomics and user comfort. And at this point, you design furniture to be able to support human body comfortably. And the office table needs appropriate height and leg room. And the chairs must support posture. Bed must provide adequate rest. You also have the material selection, and under this, it's actually an advanced furniture may combine different material, including the hardwood, the plywood, and the metal or glass. Like with the metal or glass is an addition of bringing a modern design taste into it. And the next is joinery techniques, and strong and precise joinery is essential for mortise and tenor, the dovetail joints, the dowel joints, biscuit joints, and the last is aesthetic design and finishing. Aesthetic design and finishing, and it encapsulates smooth curves and clean lines, attractive wood grain pattern, and also color harmony and finishing techniques. These are very important. And moving forward, also, there is need to look at functionality and versatility. And modern furniture often incorporates multiple functions, including office table with drawer and cable management, bed with storage compartment, and cabinet with adjustable shelf. And we also have safety and sustainability, where we talk about smooth edge and stable structures, eco-friendly materials, and also waste minimization. Let's look at the step-by-step process of making office table. Office table are essential for work efficiency, organization, and also durability, often including drawer, shelf, and also cable management. And the material needed include wooden board, plywood, or the MDF, screw, nails, drawer slide, wood glue, sandpaper. And tools required include the tape, measure, saw, drill, machine, screwdrivers, the tri-square, and the pencil. And the step involved is one, design and planning. And for this, you determine size, features, and also prepare detailed drawing. The next is the measurement and marking, where you mark all components accurately. The next after that is cutting the components. You cut the tabletop, the leg, the frame, and the drawer part. You then prepare for frame. That is, you assemble apron to support tabletop. Then you attach the leg or panel where you fix legs vertically, secure with screw and also glue. The next one is constructing the drawer, and at this point you assemble drawer box and attach slide onto it. The next is fixing the tabletop. Then you install drawer and accessories to it. You also check stability. You check for stability and alignment. And the next stage is sanding, where you ensure smooth surface. And also the final one is finishing, which is applying of paint, varnish, or polish. For beddings furniture, bed requires careful design and also strong construction for comfort, durability, and safety. And we also need the materials for that, and also the tools as in the drawer. Now, the step include design and planning, um, also measuring and marking. Then you cut the components, you prepare the frame, you fix support structures, that is, you attach slate or plywood base, and then you add central support beam for larger bed also. Then the next is attaching legs, where you fix leg securely to ensure equal height. And the next one is reinforcement, where you add corner blocks, tighten all joints also. Then you check stability. Then the next is sanding, and the last one is finishing. That's the process, the step-by-step process of making bedding furniture. For the cabinet, cupboards and cabinets are storage facility requiring precise measurements, proper alignment, and good finishing. And material needed include plywood, the MDF, the solid wood, screw nail, hinges, handles, locks, wood, glue, sandpaper, and we also have the required tools like holders. And the step involved in designing and planning. The next is measuring and marking, just like the others. Then you cut the components. Also, you assemble the main frame. Then next, you fix the back panel, where you attach thinner plywood back to strength. After that, you install shelf, where you fix shelf level, use support for adjustable shelf, and then you fix the door. You fix the door. Then the reinforcement and alignment, where you tighten screw and also adjust the hinges. And the next is sanding, and lastly you perform the finishing on the cupboard and cabinet. Furniture finishing and polishing techniques. Finishing and polishing enhance appearance, durability, and value, while protecting wood from moisture, heat, and also stain and wear. An importance of this is to one, protect wood from moisture, insect, and decay, to enhance natural beauty and grain, to improve durability and also lifespan, to provide smooth, attractive surface, to increase market value, and surface preparation that you need to actually do is you ensure furniture is clean and dry before you apply any form of finishing and polish onto it. So you ensure furniture is clean and dry. You fill cracks or hole with wood filler. You also sand thoroughly using aggressively finer sandpaper. And lastly, you remove dust before applying finish on heat. And furniture finishing and techniques where we talk about the types of finish. We've talked about it. We talk about painting. We talk about varnishing. We talk about okay, staining. It actually changes or enhances color, allowing grains to be able to remain visible. And we've talked about the oil finishing also. Another is wax polishing, which creates soft, thin, warm appearance and also easy to maintain. We have the polishing technique, and the first one we'll be talking about is the French polishing, and this is actually shellac applied with soft clothes, and it produces high gloss finish. Another is spray polishing, and this is actually an even application suitable for large scale production. And the last one is hand polishing, and this is actually applied with cloth or brush and better control for small products or projects. Let's look at the application and safety under furniture finishing and polishing technique. For application process, the first thing you need to do is to apply the first coat, where you use brush, clothes, or spray, and also applying thin even layer. Then the next is to allow it to dry, and then you also do a light sanding where you smooth surface with fine sandpaper um, between coats, and then you um, subsequent coats where you apply additional coat for better protection, and then final polishing, which is buff surface to achieve desired shine. And safety precautions include work in a well ventilated area, use protective glove and mask, you avoid inhaling fumes or from chemical, and lastly is to keep finishing materials away from fire. Looking at the furniture installation techniques, proper installation ensures functionality, safety, and also efficient use of space. An importance of this is to ensure stability and safety, prevent damages to furniture and surroundings. It also enhances functionality and usability, and it improves overall appearance. And pre-installation preparation, what are the things that need to be put in place before installation? And the first one is to measure available space accurately. You ensure floor and wall are well leveled, and also you check all components and fixings. And lastly, you assemble required tools. Common tools include tape measures, spirit level, drill machine, screwdriver, hammer, and wrench. We have the installation techniques for furniture. The first one is positioning, where you place furniture, and also it's actually a place furniture and ensure alignment with the wall. And we also have the leveling where there is a use of spirit level, and it's adjusting of legs or use of shim. You have the securing installation techniques also, where it's fixed to the wall or floor with screws, brackets, and also anchor. We have the assembling components, and this is joining parts using appropriate fitting. And lastly is installing features, where handles, hinges, shelf, drawers are being attached. Special consideration: wall cabinet must anchor to a stud, and kitchen unit requires precise alignment. How to maintain home and office finishing furniture. The first one is to clean the dust regularly. We protect from environmental factors, that is, avoid direct sunlight to prevent fading and cracking. Keep furniture away from damp areas to prevent warping or and mold. And the next one is handle and use with care. handle and use with care. The next is to polish and refine periodically. Also make timely repairs where necessary and when necessary. Also use preventive measures like you use coaster mat and also tablecloths to protect surface from heat and possibly moisture. In conclusion, the module has significantly expanded upon foundational skill, guiding you as a learner towards higher level carpentry expertise. The module explored the complexities of designing, constructing, finishing, and installing, and also maintaining sophisticated furniture for home and professional environment. By integrating technical precision with creative design, you as a learner are now equipped to understand projects that demand greater structural integrity, aesthetic refinement, and also functional um, versatility. Thank you for listening.